Exercise 15.2, question number 1. Find the mean and variance for each of the data in exercise 1 to 5. 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, and 12. We have to find mean and variance. Let me find out the mean first. Mean is given by x bar, which is going to be sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. Total number of observation. So I'm going to get over here x bar will be equal to 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 whole divided by we have 3, 3 and 3. Totally how many numbers? 8 numbers do we have? 3, 3, 3 and 2. Right. So 8 numbers we have. When I add all of them, I will be getting 2, 2, 8, 0, 0, 3, 4, 7, 7, 2, 1 and 7, 3, 7, 1, 2 carry. 6, 6 plus 1, which is going to be 72, divided by 8, which is going to be 9. So I'm getting the value of mean as 9. First part of the question is done. Right. Next, I have to find out the variance. To find out the variance, I have drawn a table. First column is going to be the class marks, which is xi. The second one is going to be the deviation from the mean, which is xi minus x bar. Next, we'll be having xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, so the first one is xi, the second one is xi minus x bar, third one is going to be xi minus x bar whole square. Let me fill out the table. First is going to be 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8 and 12. Xi minus x bar. I have got the value of x bar as 9. Let me make a note of that. X bar is equal to 9. X bar is equal to 9. Xi minus x bar, 6 minus 9. I'll be getting 6 minus 9, which is going to be equal to 3 here. 7 minus 9, which is going to be equal to minus 2 here. Of course, we have minus 3. 10 minus 9, which is going to be 1. 12 minus 9, which is going to be equal to 3. 13 minus 9, which is going to be equal to 4. 4 minus 9, which is going to be equal to minus 5. 8 minus 9, which is going to be equal to minus 1. 12 minus 9, which is going to be equal to 3. I have got the value of xi minus x bar. I need to find out the value of xi minus x bar whole square. Minus 3 whole square is going to be 9. Minus 2 whole square is going to be 4. 1 square is going to be 1. 3 square is going to be 9. 4 square is going to be 16. Minus 5 square is going to be 25. Minus 1 square is going to be 1. 3 square is going to be 9. Now I can find out the summation of xi minus x bar. The summation of xi minus x bar I should be getting as 74. I will be getting as 74. Now, let me write the formula for the variance. Variance is given by sigma square is equal to 1 over n summation of xi minus x bar whole square. Taking the same formula, I will be getting sigma square will be equal to 1 over n. What is n over here? N is going to be 8. N is going to be 8. So I can write 1 divided by 8 multiplied by sigma xi minus x bar whole square. This value I have got as 74. So I will be writing sigma square is equal to 9. I'll be getting around 9 point. This is going to be the variance. 9.2, and mean we have got as 9. This will be your final answer for the first question. I hope this is clear. Next, we'll be moving on to question number 3. Find 10 multiples of 3. We have to find the mean and variance of the first 10 multiples of 3. So here the data is not given. You have to write your own data. The data is going to be the first 10 multiples of 3, right? So I can start by writing 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. These are the first 10 multiples of 3. I will be finding out the mean first. X bar, which is going to be the mean, is going to be sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. I will be adding all of them. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 21 plus 24 plus 27 plus 30 divided by, it is going to be 10, right? 30, 30, 27, 27 is going to be 57, 57, 461, 61, 81, 81, 102, 102, 18, 120, 120, and 12, 19, 139, 139 plus 9, 1, 46, 146, and 11, 11 plus 3, 161, 162, 162, 162 plus 3 is going to be 165. X bar I will be getting as 165 divided by 10, which is going to be 16.5. Mean I have got as 16.5. Next, in order to calculate the variance, I need to draw a table. The first column is going to be the class mark, which is going to be the xi. Next is going to be the deviation, which is xi minus x bar. The next one, or the last one, is going to be xi minus x bar whole square. Let me make a note of xi first. It is going to be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Next, xi minus x bar. It is going to be, let me take the value of x bar. X bar I have got as 16.5. Writing the same over here, I will be getting 33 minus 6.5, 6 minus 16.5, 9 minus 16.5, 12 minus 15 minus 18 minus 21, 24, 27, and 30. You should subtract 16.5 everywhere. You will be getting the value of xi minus x bar. 3 minus 16.5, it is going to be minus 13.5. Next, minus 10.5. 9 minus 16.5, it is going to be 7.5 with a negative sign. Next, it is going to be minus 4.5. Next, minus 1.5. 18, and 18 is again 1.5 with a positive sign. Next, we're going to have 4.5 with a negative sign. Next, we have 7.5. Next, we have 10.5. 30, 30, and 16, we have 13.5. Now we have to find out the square of all the values. You can use the calculator over here if it is allowed, or you can do the simple calculation as well. 13.5 square, it is nothing but 135 whole square, which is 18,225. I can write this as 182.25. Next, I will be getting this as 110.25, 56, 0.25, 20.25 to 0.25 to 0.25, 20.25, 56.25, then you will be getting 110.25, 182.25. You have got the value of xi minus x bar, you have got the value of xi minus x bar whole square. You need to find out the summation of xi minus x bar. When you add all of this, when you add all of this, you will be getting the value of summation of xi minus x bar whole square. When you add all of this, you will be getting that value to be 742.5. 742.5. I will be writing the formula for variance. Variance is given by sigma square 1 over n summation of xi minus x bar whole square from I is equal to 1 to n. Substituting the same, I will be getting the value of variance sigma square is going to be 1 over n. What is going to be the n? First 10 multiples. We have 10 numbers, so 1 divided by 10 multiplied by 742.5. Variance will be 74.25. And I have got the mean value to be 16.5. This is going to be the final answer. Is that clear? Yes. Next, let us go to question number 4. Here, the only difference between the previous question and this question is, in the previous question, the data was given to us, right? Only xi was given. There was no frequency given. However, in this question, both fi and xi are given. So there will be a change in your table. Before, we had only three columns: xi, xi minus x bar, xi minus x bar whole square. Now you will be having two more columns, that is fi and fixi. Let me write down the same thing over here. So the first one is going to be xi. Next is going to be fi. The third one is going to be fixi. The fourth one is going to be xi minus x bar. The third one is xi minus x bar whole squared. The last is going to be fi multiplied by xi minus x bar whole squared. Let me make a note of the given data. xi is given and fi is also given. 6, 10, 14, 18, 24, 28, and 30. This is going to be my xi. Fi is going to be 2, 4, 7, 12, 8, 4, and 3. Fixi is going to be the multiplication of the two columns xi with fi or fi with xi, both means one and the same. 6 multiplied by 2, so 40. 10 multiplied by 4, it is going to be 46. Multiplied by 2 is 12. 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. 14 7 times is 98. 18 multiplied by 12, it is going to be 216. 24 multiplied by 8, 240 minus 48, it is going to be 192. 28 divided by multiplied by 4 is going to be 112. 30 multiplied by 3 is going to be 90. Now I can find out the value of summation of fi, which is also summation of fi is going to be the value of n as well. N is equal to summation of fi. When I add all of this, I will be getting the value as 40. I will be getting the value as 40 when I add your fi. Next, I need to find out the value of summation of fi xi also. In order to do that, let me write over here summation of fi xi is going to be equal to 2, 8. and 6, 6 and 0 0, 2 0 carry 2, 2 1 3, 3 4 9, 9 6 7, 7 and 4, 7 4 11, 11 plus 3 14, 4 carry 1, 1 1 3 7, 700 and sorry 760, not 74, 760. You will be getting the value of summation of fi xi, meaning adding up all of this you will be getting the value as 760. Next we need to find out the value of xi minus x bar. We need to find out the value of xi minus x bar. In order to do that, I need the value of x bar. I don't know what is the value of x bar, so I need to find out the value of x bar first. So I can write x bar as summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. This is the formula for mean. Summation of fi xi is going to be 760. Summation of fi is going to be 40. Answer for mean is going to be 760 divided by 40. So I will be getting the value of mean as this is going to be 1 time 1 and 6, 16, 16 to 0 9. So 9 times and with a 0, 190. Sorry, you will be getting 19, just 19. 0 is going to get cancelled, right? So your answer for mean you have got as 19. Now back to the table, you have to subtract xi and x bar. Let me write the value of mean x bar. I have got as 19. Substituting the same xi minus x bar. So here I will be getting 6 minus 19. Here I will be getting 10 minus 19. Here it is going to be 14 minus 19. Here it is going to be 18 minus 19. Here it is going to be 24 minus 19, 28 minus 19, 30 minus 19. 6 minus 19 is going to be minus 13. 10 minus 19 is going to be minus 9. Next it is going to be minus 5. It is going to be minus 1. 24 minus 19 is 5. 28 minus 19 is 9. 30 minus 19 is going to be 12. Next I need to find out the value of xi minus x bar whole square. Minus 13 whole square is going to be 169 with a positive sign. Minus 9 whole square is going to be plus 81. Minus 5 square is going to be 25. 1 square is going to be 1. 25 square is going to be 25. 9 square is going to be 81. 11 square is going to be 121. Next, I need to find the value of fi multiplied by xi minus x bar whole square. I have the value of I have the value of xi minus x bar. I need to multiply 2 with 169. So let me write over here 2 multiplied by 169. Here it is 4 multiplied by 81. Here it is 7 multiplied by 25. Here it is 12 multiplied by 216. Here it is 8 multiplied by 25, again 4 multiplied by 81, and here it is 3 multiplied by 121. When you solve this, you will be getting the value of fi multiplied by xi minus x bar. 2 multiplied by 169, 8, 8 carry 1, 3, 338. Next, you will be getting 4 multiplied by 81, which is going to be 324. 7 multiplied by 25, it is 175. 12 multiplied by 216. Is this 12 multiplied by 216? Sorry. I have written wrong. It is going to be 12 multiplied by 1. It is not going to be 216. Okay. So 12 multiplied by 1, it is going to be 12. 8 multiplied by 25, it is going to be 204 multiplied by 81, it is 324. 3 multiplied by 121, 3 times 6 and 3, 363. Now again I have to find out the value of summation of fi xi minus x bar whole square, which is going to be equal to the addition of all these values 8, 8 to 6 2 2 carry 5 5 2 7 4 and 3 6 carry 1 4 0 2 1 which is going to be 3 3 and carry 1 11 11 and 6 is 17. So I will be getting 1736 as the value of summation of fi multiplied by xi minus x bar. I will be using the formula for variance, which is given by sigma square 1 over n, the summation of fi multiplied by xi minus x bar whole square. I have the value of n. N is nothing but sigma fi. N is nothing but sigma fi, which is going to be 40. So I can write over here 1 divided by 40 multiplied by summation of fi multiplied by xi minus x bar whole square. I have 1736. 1736. So when you solve this, you will be getting the answer. 17 is 4 times 1 and 13. 13 is 3 times carry dot 36 4. 43.4. So I will be getting the value of mean as 19 and the variance I have got it as 43.4. This is going to be your final answer.